In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom report in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to gain insights into your sales performance or track the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns, creating a tailored report can provide valuable data tailored to your specific needs. Let's dive in so you can start making data-driven decisions in no time. To get started, first, you'll need to log in or sign up for HubSpot. If you don't already have an account, it's straightforward to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of options and tools available to you. But for now, let's focus on building our custom report. Next, you'll want to click on the Create Report option. This is your gateway to the reporting tool within HubSpot, where you can craft reports that suit your specific requirements. You'll notice a section titled Create Reports from Scratch. Under this, select the Custom Report Builder. This option provides the flexibility to shape your report with the exact data that matters most to you. When presented with choices for data sources, decide whether you'd like to choose my own data sources or start with a dataset. The beauty of this step is that you have the freedom to either precisely pick the data sources you need or use a prearranged dataset to give you a head start. If you're opting to choose your own data sources, you'll need to select a primary data source. Consider what kind of information is most crucial. It could be related to contacts, companies, deals, or any other available metrics. Make sure your selection aligns with the kind of insights you wish to gather from your report. Now, it's time to define what specific information you want in your report. You can select the properties, metrics, and events that are relevant to your analysis. This level of customization helps ensure your report is focused and tailored to your unique goals. Once you have your data set up, it's time to choose how you wish to visualize this information. You'll need to select a chart type that best represents your data, whether it be a bar chart, line chart, or a simple table. Each chart type offers different perspectives and can highlight trends or comparisons effectively. Additionally, this step allows you to set up any necessary filters or aggregations to refine your data further. Finally, after arranging all the various components of your report, take a moment to review everything. Ensure it meets your expectations and addresses the questions you set out to answer. When you're satisfied with how your report looks and the insights it provides, go ahead and click Save. Your custom report is now ready for you to access whenever you need it. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've built a custom report in HubSpot that will empower you to make informed decisions based on the data most vital to your business. Thank you for tuning in, and happy report building.